When it came down to work on the kids' bedrooms, we wanted to make sure that it was, cozy spaces. That's why we decided to go with this very high pile area rug, so they can feel really comfy and really warm when they're getting up, in the morning, as well if they're playing around for the little one. We really wanted to just add that additional fun piece. And we accomplished that with a teepee, and he just loved playing there around with his stuffies, as well as the platform bed where we place oversized pillows, so he can use that to read and relax if he have any friends over. For the other room, we wanted to focus on the reading space, the reading area. He loved to read, so we wanted to create that little nook in the back of the room where he can have his cozy chair and floor lamp for extra lighting, so he can spend hours there reading and enjoying his beautiful bedroom. So their bathrooms, we wanted to kind of reflect a little bit of their own personalities. We did a little refresh with lighting and mirrors, and just how easy you can dress up a bathroom with the right accessorizing and having the fun touches for each of them.